Okay, so I wanted to start off by showing you how to put a backing on an ornament or, any freeform piece that you do. And so these are the backings. I'm just going to show you. I have just a simple heart here, and I cut out, I put it on a piece of paper and I traced around it, and I cut the paper out, and I'm just going to glue it on the back with some white glue and just paint that on. Paint that on the back. And there's really not much to it other than one little part. And that is that when you put it on, you want to make sure that you don't rub down the top of it, because that's where I'm going to put a string. Where I'm going to just set that on there. So then I'm just going to, before I press it down very hard, I'm going to lift it up and put my string in there to figure out how much of a loop. Sometimes I like to have a nice big loop and make it part of the art. I'm just going to put a little more glue on that. Want those little legs, the excess to just be underneath there. It helps if you, I'm going to just go ahead and put glue on both sides. Okay. So then that will just dry.